Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks how to loop USB video on your television. In your pen drive, one video is available, length is like a 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and you want play this video again and again on your smart television. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So first of all, I will tell you which video I want play again and again. So this is a video length is at 2.5 minutes. So I want play this video again and again. After finish this video, again playing first condition. How to doing this process on my smart television? It's very simple tips and tricks. That point of view, I just copy this video on my pen drive. Simply copy this video and I want add this video and pen drive. Wait couple of seconds. So data is copy on pen drive. Now I connect this pen drive on my smart television. So let's check it out. Here is my television. I just simply connect this pen drive here. Perfect, pen drive is connected. Now I just simply on the television. Television is on, and by default the video is coming here the same. Now I go back here in this video. So this is the video. I just press here 3 dots and here repeat option is available. You just simply tag here repeat and then play. If I just move forward this video like this, and here the video is end. Look at this, the video is almost is end here. Now we can see the play again. Look at this, the video is playing first position. So this is a simple way to play one video again and again if the video is available on your pen drive. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.